Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Officer Kam juga District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills ha ka thong ban kin tiu ya ka pule puthi hapo ka district kat kum belabu thong bat proj dak ha ka RTE Act arajar khandai minta ka sngi ka khatlai trik no pra arajar pulai kala pelong ka program Jinghikai ba Kyrpang nang minta ki principal head teacher jongki school ha inclusive education resource center mi mentru ka thong jong ni ka program kalang man penchai bat pensku tho ya ki principal head teacher jong school shaphang ka kamram ki bor pej bat bor penya jong school ha ka bai dei bat ki Khynnah badon jing duna ha ki department bat ru Kyrpang shaphang ki hok jong ki Khynnah kat kum ka RPWD Act arajar khan rio LK Singh District Coordinator IE SSA West Jaintia Hills habakran kumuri shaphang ulai tho badon lightly school Kyrpang na kamta ki Khynnah badon jingduna ya ka belatib kum ka school for mental retardation mental illness school for visually impaired but ka school for hearing impaired.
What kind of a school it is? What school are you going to teach today? That school is not of what? Special education. It's a special for them only. Dari tangan tajam ki. And in such kind of special education, there are lots of schools which carry the needs of the special needs. For example, we are talking about a school for the children with mental retardation. School for children with hearing impairment, school for children with visual impairment. Dalam kata school di dalam dalam ki. Kamu ki Khynnah ki budan ging na ha bawa perkhat kinai pekta ha kata school kaba Jinghikai tang itu ki Khynnah. Lani kunu school kaba Jinghikai tang itu ki banglat perkren ki bakundu. Lani kalau kunu special school kaba di tang na mata ki Khynnah ki ba. Yes, there is a school for children with special needs. But the fact is that this special education, even in Meghalaya, there is a special education school. Do you know that? Kita no? Hey, kadang orang Jaintia, special school. School you come. Nangba, one of your mama colleagues telling Nangba. The word that is being used nowadays. So mental retardation, instead of mental retardation, we are using the word what? Intellectual. Just absolutely. So we cannot use the word mental retardation. Mental retardation is the word that has been used before. Now, so there are resource persons or resource teachers who are specialized in the field of intellectual disability. There are resource teachers who are specialized in the field of hearing impairment, and there are teachers who are specialized in the field of visual impairment. But you may not find, or you'll find a very less resource teachers who are skilled in all the areas. Kinyo duna kinongikai kibanang haka mental ru, kibanang haka hearing running, kibanang haka visually impaired. Kamu kam yang kita